콩 흡연질 준비 되셨습니까?
무조건 맛있어?
지침. 물 끝에 지침. 뭐?
맞춤충.
아, 충충이야?
응.
왜?
맞춤면 좋아해. 맞춤 못하면 스트레스 받아. 맞춤충.
다시 해봐.
프랑스에서 한 번인데 캘리포니아도 있어요.
오. 그렇게 좋아?
응. 너무 귀엽잖아.
I wanted to do a Japan haul, like what I bought from there, and it's been sitting here for over a week now, so I'm just gonna have to do a brief intro of what I purchased. Uniqlo is so much cheaper in Japan, and everything was on sale as well, so I bought this cami, and then I bought a bunch of pajamas for presents as well. Bought 4 and then gave 1 to my mom. A bra. I don't know which collection this is, but it's a... And then I bought 3 things from Human Made. I bought this silk shirt and this t-shirt for myself. It was so cute. I had to get it. A milk cup. I bought this jelly. We finished eating like 4 bags of them. This is free noodle, tom yum noodle, Chinese spicy sesame ramen. It's like some type of pasta. Looked good, so I bought it. Tomato, hot and sour soup, and I bought like 5 of these. He's so good. I had one while I was in Japan, and it was so good. I went back and bought everything that was left there. I bought Puebco. I think it's a lifestyle living brand based in Japan, and I bought a few products products from them in Korea, but even though they're not that pricey, it was a lot more expensive than in Japan. So I went and bought this tissue case, aluminum tissue case. Bought a matte one. You can just insert tissues from the back, or like you can also hang this using this little holes. It's so cute. It's in black. It's a bit heavy and very sturdy. We just wanted to place some watches, rings when we get back home, so bought this. A ring case, little cute marble and glass cap. I'm just gonna place my ring here and then just close the lid. So cute. And then lastly, I bought a table mat. I think and all the placemats that I have right now are fabric, so whenever I drop something on it I have to wash it, but this one I can just wipe off with wet tissue, and I bought two. And another thing I was so excited about is this calamari pan. It was like around $20, and I got the last one. So cute. Love the handle. At Dover Street Market, Ginza, we went to Stussy and they had a Dover Street Market hoodie. Don't know how to. Dover Street Market Ginza sign. I really like the fabric and the gray color, like melange gray. And they had two different versions of the Dover Street Market Ginza like collab, but I like this one better, so I bought this. This is the back of the sweatshirt, and I bought size small. Yes. 이거 줘? 앉아. 앉아. 김치찜.